Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Success Point Official. In our channel, we learn about the basic concepts of math. So if you are new here and you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to see more updates. Okay guys, so today's topic is direct and inverse proportion. So in our previous class, we have discussed about the basics of direct variation. If you have not seen that video, link is in description box. You can check it there. Today we are going to learn a very important concept, that is the relationship between distance, speed and time. What are they and how will they work? Let's understand it. So let's write the terms. Distance, speed and time. Yes, now we will represent distance by D, speed by S and time by T. Now what are they? Okay guys, so now let's understand about distance. If I'm standing here, I want to move from one place to another. Okay na? This point to the second point. So this is called the distance from one point to the another point. This is called distance. Yes. And the time, it will take some time also. Suppose 1 second. It will take 1 second to move. Yes. And the speed, I'm running, walking, how I move. Okay na? This is called speed. So now we have to understand the relationship between distance, speed and time. And the important thing is, this concept will be helpful for you in maths as well as science. Okay now, so let's understand it. Okay guys, so now we have the formula distance equals to speed into time. Yes, now if you want to find the distance, we have to multiply speed and time, we will get our distance. We are getting our distance formula. Now if you want to find the speed, can we find our speed formula also? Using a single formula, can we find the remaining two formulas also for speed and time? Yes. What we have to do? We have to find speed formula. That means speed we should not move anywhere. So speed will be here only. Yes, we have to move our next term, that is time. Yes, na? And time is in multiplication. In our previous classes, we have already discussed, we have two best friends, multiplication and division na. So if we want to move our term from one side to another, it is in multiplication. So multiplication term will convert into division. Yes. So this is multiplication. It will convert into division. So let's write our formula. Distance upon time, which is equals to speed. Yes na guys? So distance upon time, this is the formula of speed. Is it? So we are getting our second formula also. Done. Now we have to check our third formula also. Which formula is left now? Yes guys, now we have left with our time formula. So let's highlight our time formula. That means this time we should not move time. Yes, so time will be here only. What we have to move? We have to move our next term, that is speed. So speed will move another side and it is already in multiplication. So it will become in division. Okay guys, so let's write our third formula. Distance upon speed, which is equals to time. Is it or not guys? So using only one formula, we are getting our three formulas. This will be our third formula. So now if you want to find distance, we have a formula speed into time. If you want to find speed, that is distance upon time. If you want to find time, that is distance upon speed. So this concept is really important for maths as well as science. Okay guys, so now let's check the units as well. What are the units? How to use it? Let's understand it. For distance, we will use kilometers or meters. Is it now? For speed, we will use kilometer per hour or meter per second. Yes guys, so what will be the units of time? Hour, yes, or minute or second. So what are the units? For distance, we will use kilometer or meter. For speed, we will use kilometer per hour or meter per second. And for time, we will use hour, minute or second. Is it? And now we have formulas as well as the units. Okay guys, I hope you are getting this concept. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box. Comment box is for you guys. Whenever you have a doubt, you can write it. And if you like the video, do like it. If you feel it's worth of sharing to someone, do share it guys. Share it with all of your friends so that everyone will understand the basic concepts of maths. Keep practicing. Enjoy learning. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Take care. God bless you all. Bye guys.